Remember to support the channel by always liking the videos and leaving a comment below. Now, just enjoy the video. Take care. Well guys, I hope you like this short video from Government Scott in Miami Beach. As you can see, we found this nice custom line motor yacht and I wanted to show it to you. So if you're asking what happened at the first clip, yes, we hit the wake and we almost lost the drone, but nothing happened. We recuperate in flight and we were able to come back. So again, more testing will be done with that drone, but for now, I hope you like this short video. I also want to let you know that there's like 10 or 15 of you that are leaving comments, and that is helping the channel to be noticed. So I will keep posting regularly and I will be posting more of the drone footage that you like. So for now, thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video. Take care.